I am a woman. I want to wear what I want to and I want to say what I want to. And you are nobody tell me what I'm supposed to do. I mean, these lines have become cliches now. Trust me, even we're sick of saying them. Sure, we want to wear what we want to and say what we want to. But do you really know what we want?
We want to be able to take our own decisions without thinking what people are going to think. If I want to do something, I want to do it. Even if it does not lead to something good, at least it's my decision and I can get to work on it as long as I want. Trust me, we can do that.
We're still those people who want to get married to someone we love. Just because we're women of this generation does not mean that we do not want to get married or do not want to have kids. I mean, I would love to have a family, someone I could spend the rest of my life with, someone I could share my happiness and sadness with.
Our decisions should not be limited to the house. We want to choose the career that we think is best for us. I mean, I want a life where I can support my family just as much or even more than my partner. I mean, that's fine. My trust and respect for my partner is not going to be affected by this.
That brings us to a more important point. Don't be awkward or surprised if we're the finance heads in your office. Women can do more than HR, you know. Don't be surprised if I'm producing your film. If I am good at it, I will do it. Where's the need to be intimidated by that?
We want a better role in a film where we have much more to do and not just shake a leg or be a love angle. Give me a role where I can show it to the world that I can act. We are not going to let you down.
Whatever we say is not right. We want you to question us, debate us. Don't give up on a discussion to show your chivalry. That is not chivalry. Don't be dominating to show your manliness. That is not manliness. I'll be happy if you can prove me wrong.
I think what all of us just said right now is correct. I mean, think about it. We're not that complicated.